तंबाकू हानिकारक है, उसके ऊपर एक छोटा सा नुक्कड़ नाटक होने जा रहा है। सब लोग देखते जाए, सब लोग ध्यान से। तंबाकू के ऊपर हानिकारक उसके होने के ऊपर एक नुक्कड़ नाटक होने जा रहा है, उसे ध्यान से देखें।
जिस बात को हम यहाँ मना करने आए हैं उसी को बढ़ावा दे रहा है। क्या करूं उस्ताद, मजबूरी है।
और आज हम सभी आप सभी को तंबाकू के विरुद्ध जागरूक करने आए हैं। इस शहर में हुआ क्या है, कहीं रात और कहीं धुआं धुआं।
क्यों कोई कुछ नहीं है बोलता? तू चुपचाप, कोई को है जिंदा।
हो गई बर्दाश्त की अभी कहाँ, कूदे बीड़ी सिगरेट करती दिखे जहाँ।
अजी सुनते हो?
अरे बोल क्या हुआ?
अपना चिंटू बीमार हो गया है।
चिंटू बीमार है तो मैं क्या करूं?
उसकी दवाई ले आओ।
इन सब चीजों के लिए मेरे पास पैसे ना है।
मैंने कुछ पैसे बचा के रखने हैं, ऊपर से देती हूँ।
कोई जमीने गाड़ दूंगा। अगर आप जुए के लिए पैसे मांगे तब तो ना निकले तुझसे, ज्यादा होशियार बन रही है। अरे भैया इतने पैसे में सिगरेट और दवाई दोनों का नाम है नहीं? तो भैया तो है तो आप सिगरेट से तो और हम लोग ठीक है भैया, दो जगह सिगरेट।
ये आई थी उसकी दवाई।
हाँ मैं सिगरेट ले आया।
कोई पता है तुम्हारी आदतों का?
चालू बना दीजिए।
तो देखिए किस तरह तम्बाकू की लत एक इंसान को कितना बेमिसाल बना सकती है। और इसी प्रकार हमारे देश में घरेलू हिंसा के कारण बढ़ते जा रहे हैं। ना ना मैं सिगरेट नहीं पीता। अरे सिगरेट नहीं पिएगा तो मर्द कैसे बनेगा?
अरे जाने दो, ये हमारी दोस्ती का लायक ही नहीं है।
अगर इसी में मर्दानगी है तो लाओ। और बात मेरा नाम मुकेश है और मैंने कई वर्षों तक बीड़ी और सिगरेट पी है और मुझे कैंसर हुआ है।
पर अफसोस हम मुकेश को बचा नहीं सके और वो सिर्फ 26 साल का था। और सिर्फ मुकेश ही नहीं, न जाने कितने युवा तंबाकू की लत में पड़कर लिवर कैंसर, हृदय रोग, मोतियाबिंद, मधुमेह जैसी खतरनाक बीमारियों से अपनी जान को खतरा बढ़ा लेते हैं।
नहीं जा रही है? तेरा तो तीसरा महीना लगने को है ना? पता नहीं दीदी, क्या आफत आन पड़ी है। पुष्पा, तुझे कितनी बार समझाया है, ये तंबाकू तेरे बच्चे के लिए ठीक नहीं है। पुष्पा, पुष्पा नानी, मैं गुटखा छोड़ेगी नहीं दीदी।
और अब कुछ महीनों बाद
दीदी दीदी, मैं बर्बाद हो गई दीदी, मैं तो कहीं की नहीं रही। पुष्पा, आराम से सांस ले, आराम से बता क्या हुआ। दीदी, मेरी तो गोद ही सूनी हो गई। क्या मतलब? मेरा बच्चा नहीं बच पाया।
बच्चे को है मार डाला तूने, जमाया पान मसाला। बच्चे को है मार डाला तूने, जमाया पान मसाला।
पुष्पा, मैंने तो तुझे पहले ही कहा था, ये तंबाकू की लत तेरे बच्चे के लिए ठीक नहीं है।
तो देखिए, वही इसी तरह हमारे देश में तंबाकू चबाने के कारण एक दिन में कई लोग इसी प्रकार अपनी जान गंवा लेते हैं। बीड़ी गुटखा पान सुपारी, बीड़ी गुटखा पान सुपारी, तो ये कभी हुई तुम्हारी, ना तो ये कभी हुई तुम्हारी, ना ये कभी होगी हमारी, ना ये कभी होगी हमारी। बनके ये रह जाएगी बीमारी, बनके ये रह जाएगी बीमारी। मिलके इसे मिटाना है, मिलके इसे मिटाना है। आगे बढ़ते जाना है, आगे बढ़ते जाना है।
तंबाकू का अंजाम मौत का पैगाम, तंबाकू का अंजाम मौत का पैगाम। तंबाकू की आदत कैंसर की दावत, तंबाकू की आदत कैंसर की दावत। हाथों से तैयार।
World No Tobacco Day. So it's being celebrated or being organized by Department of Community Medicine. So we have seen several posters. The message is very clear, and we have innovative ways of speaking against tobacco use. One poster which we just saw is giving a three-dimensional impression. So sometimes I'm surprised that if our students are so talented, why we see the episodes which led to mass fining or mass punishment. And sometimes it's a matter of surprise if the students are so creative, why they go on that track. Probably we need to do a study and find out why they indulge in such activities which shakes the total Saran world. So anyway, a lot of things have been said about tobacco. There is hardly any therapeutic or beneficial role of tobacco, but still it got so much place in society. Though now the situation is much under control. I do not know how many of you remember, if you go back 15 or 20 years back, traveling in a public transport, train or bus, it used to be a headache that you find every second, third person is smoking. Thankfully, that situation is no more. Smoking has been reduced to bare minimum. The use of tobacco has been reduced to bare minimum. You people you might not have seen those situations. Sometimes you ask your parents what used to be the scenario if you were traveling in a bus or train. Every second, third person is smoking. So, tobacco still has a place in our society. It is so deep-rooted. Maybe it is because of the industry concern, or maybe because of failure of regulatory mechanisms, or maybe failure of message which our social departments or our health departments they are supposed to communicate to the society. It is probably failure at some place. So the people, still there is a small fraction of the society which is indulged in tobacco use. So by these, days or by such movements, motive is to pass on the information to that section of the society which is not aware and to quit, asking them to quit tobacco. Still, we have cases of oral cancer resulting from tobacco in pan masala or gutka. Smoking is grossly reduced. I think the main consumption nowadays is pan masala, gutka. So, we have to pass on message. Still, we are getting cases of oral fibrosis and cases of oral cancer. Still, it is, despite of so much of movement, despite of so much of rise in literacy rate. So, probably we have to pass on message to our society, to the target population. Target population is our students or our section of the society which is, let us say, 14, 15 years of old. Most of the smoking starts in that age group, 14, 15 to 17 age group. So probably we need to pass on message to that group the ill effects of smoking, which are not visible today, which are visible after 10 years or 15 years or 20 years of smoking or tobacco use. So with that, it's a good initiative. All the best to all the participants, and they will be ranking. I hope they will be ranking these posters, and we will be distributing some certificates or prizes or participants. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. A very warm and cheerful good morning to one and all. Respected principal sir, respected teachers, respected residents, respected seniors, my dear classmates and my lovely juniors. Today we all are here on the occasion of World No Tobacco Day, celebrated every year on 31st of May. We all know the fact that tobacco is really very harmful, but still consumption of the tobacco is increasing worldwide. Now I would like to tell you some interesting facts about tobacco consumption. On an average, life expectancy of a smoker is 10 years less than that of a non-smoker. Cigarette smoke contains 7,000 chemicals, 70 of which can cause cancer. Cigarette smoking can cause stroke, heart disease, diabetes, lung disease like emphysema, bronchitis, and COPD. In pathology, we have seen smoking as an etiological cause of many illnesses. We all know that tobacco is a preventable cause of death in India. Since it is preventable, it has to be prevented. Strict policies and actions are being taken by Government of India. Awareness drives, advertisements are issued every year to make everyone aware about the side effects of tobacco. Tobacco is not only consumed by the uneducated person in the society, but it is also being promoted by the one who is educated. It has been seen that 3 palm trees of India are promoting tobacco over national TV. On national TV, they used to say "Bolo Subha Kesri," knowing the fact that the Subha Kesri बोलते सामने वाले को जुबान का कैंसर हो जाएगा, but still they are promoting. We must be aware and we must wisely select our heroes who influencers. Now moving on, I would like to call upon the stage Dr. Pallavi Pandey ma'am, Adjoining Dentistry Department, to have few words on today's event.
Good morning, everybody. Being from a dental department, I would just like to highlight the fact that not only smoking, tobacco is taken mainly as far as oral cancer is concerned. Tobacco in the form of gutka is a very common cause for cancer. And there's one important thing that oral cavity is the mirror of the body. So, and the best part about oral cancer is it can be seen as a pre-cancerous lesion in the oral cavity. It is an indication from the God that please stop having tobacco, stop having any form of tobacco, including areca nut. I'd like to highlight three important lesions in the oral cavity. That is, one is leukoplakia, one is lichen planus, and one is oral submucous fibrosis. Leukoplakia is mainly caused by tobacco, and most of the cancer is first present in the form of leukoplakia. So if we check the patient when the cancer is in the pre-cancerous state, that is in the form of leukoplakia, then probably we can prevent the further cancer. We actually need patient counseling, a proper patient counseling when we see leukoplakia in the oral cavity. Even if you are some of your friends, if they are having tobacco habit, you can just have a check in the oral cavity, and then you can say, look, this is an indication from the God that your mouth is showing changes. So it's high time that we stop tobacco. Otherwise, this will finally lead to cancer. Then there is another thing, oral submucous fibrosis, which is again there's a thing called supari, areca nut, which is present in the gutka along with tobacco. So along with tobacco, areca nut causes oral submucous fibrosis. What it does is it causes fibrosis of the oral cavity, and gradually what will happen? Your opening of the mouth will reduce gradually. And one more precancerous lesion is lichen planus. That is mainly immunocompromised disease, but this is also discussed in the along with the tobacco thing. So I would just like to highlight that please, whenever anybody is having tobacco habit, always check your mouth, and please stop the cancer when it is in the pre-cancerous state rather than putting forward to the cancer state. I have done my MDS from Mumbai, and I have been posted in Tata Memorial Hospital. So you will be surprised that among all the cancers, the most waiting period is for head and neck cancer. That is the oral cancer. Head and neck cancer में आपको वहाँ आप जाए, मतलब कोई भी पेशेंट जाता है, they have a waiting period for 1 month, 2 months, because इतने ज़्यादा पेशेंट्स हैं oral cancer के कि वहाँ पर डॉक्टर्स ही मतलब they are not able to go the amount of patient and the number of treatment which is going on, ये वो बैलेंस ही नहीं हो पा रहा है. So you can just imagine a patient having oral cancer and moving here and there कि मेरा ट्रीटमेंट करा दो, and then I see the family. पहले तो आपने तंबाकू खा के फैमिली को बाय पैसिव स्मोकिंग आपने फैमिली को परेशान किया, and then after having cancer, your wife, your kids, they are moving along with you to the hospital to save you. So this is a very sorry state, and please all of you take care, and you guys are in a state where you have the probability कि आप लोग you may go to smoking, you may go to tobacco habit, seeing your peer group. So please be careful, and I have literally seen like I feel very sorry when I see the patient जो लोग इतने सालों से तंबाकू खा के and then they are sitting there and waiting for their turn to get operated, and their family is having a very sorry state. Please, all of you, please be careful about this tobacco thing. It's a very bad thing. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. To have a control over tobacco chain, Indian government has included tobacco products under 28% GST slab. Moving on, now I would like to call upon the stage Dr. Sanjeev Dave sir, Head of Department Community Medicine, to have few words on tobacco drug.
Thank you, respected Mr. dear faculty members, and dear students. You have a lot of responsibility to propagate this message of tobacco prevention. Tobacco prevention is basically an investment. See, when a person is taking a tobacco, first of all, he is spending the money on that. So the family is suffering on that issue. Second thing, after effects of the tobacco, when the tobacco is taken on the long run, then it produces the various cancerous lesions like this leukoplakia and this lichen planus and this oral submucous fibrosis, CD, after effects. So it is a really a very good thing for an opportunity for us to prevent this tobacco intake. If we prevent the tobacco intake, we will have a long-term benefits, and these long-term benefits will be seen after a decade or so. So that's why this tobacco prevention is a very important strategy, and you have a very important role to play in this. As a youngster, as an MBBS student, and after that when you will become a doctor, you have a lot of responsibility. You will sit in OPDs, you will sit in the communities. So you have to propagate this message, and you have to speak about the harmful effects of the tobacco. See, you might have seen that in the TV, how the Tata Memorial Hospital or the other hospitals of Mumbai, they are projecting the patients, the head neck cancer patient with the metastasis and all that. So that is a very sorry state of affairs. So that's why you have a lot of responsibility of tobacco prevention, and this starts from you itself also. I have seen, and few students are also there, those who are using tobacco. So please stop. So the first responsibility starts from yourself. Then you have to propagate this message of not taking tobacco in your OPDs and your communities. So with this, I thank you, and I hope that you will carry this message to the community and hospital side, so that we will have a long-term benefit. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Moving on, now I would like to call upon Dr. Govindan sir, Cultural Committee in charge, to have few words over anti-tobacco drive and have a presentation over the same.
All the participants who took part in poster competition and skit program as well on this special occasion of World No Tobacco Day. And I am thankful to our principal sir and our senior professors who gave the light on this preventive part of tobacco-related diseases. As we all know, all the cancers and diseases which are happening through tobacco, these are all preventable. We have few data on this, how this tobacco consumption is affecting our generation and our students or adult population also. According to WHO, tobacco is now the world's leading single agent of death. It is caused around 5.4 million deaths in a year. It is larger than acute respiratory tract infection, AIDS, thyroid diseases, and TB. So this is the recent data according to WHO. Next slide, please. These are few facts. Nearly 267 million adults, more than 50 years of age in India, are users of tobacco. It is around 28 population of adults in India are are using tobacco in any form. It is according to it is called as GATS, Global Adult Tobacco Survey of 2016 and 17. Tobacco users is a major risk factor for many chronic diseases. As you all know, it can cause cancer, lung diseases, cardiovascular diseases, and a major causing factor of stroke as well. Yeah, it can cause atherosclerosis. India is also the second largest consumer and producers of tobacco also. The most prevalent form of tobacco used in India is smokeless tobacco, and commonly used products are henny, hookah, betel quid, and tobacco and sarda. As you all seen in our community as well. This is the smokeless tobacco is the commonly used products in India. Globally, tobacco use is one of the India's public health threats. It leads not only loss of lives but also has heavy social and economic costs. Next slide. These are few facts. As we all discussed, 28% adults in India are tobacco users, 10% adults in India are smoke tobacco users, and 21% are smokeless tobacco. Okay, and according to 26%, 1 out of 4 adults in Maharashtra consumes tobacco in some form. Okay, next. These are the few slides called types of tobacco in any form people are consuming, like BD and cigarette. Next. These are hookah and pipe also. Next. These are the dried form or smokeless tobacco forms of tobacco. Those are consuming in any form. These are the different brands of tobacco. Smokeless. This is पान. तंबाकू के साथ पान किसी भी प्रकार के गैर धूम्रपान करने वाले तंबाकू को पान में लगाया जाता है. This is also a type of smokeless tobacco. This is a new form. Those are common in community and consumed by youngsters also. E-cigarettes. Next. This is the whole mechanism of e-cigarette. Next. These are the types of diseases in short and long term that tobacco can cause to someone. Like in long term, we can face oral cancer, hypertension, chronic cough, sexual dysfunction, paralytic attacks, strokes, eye cataract, or effect on fetus also, pancreatic ulcer and stomach ulcers. So you can see in the long term and in the short term, every part of body can be affected by tobacco also. It is the major cause of disease in any form. Next. जैसे अभी कोविड बहुत प्रीवियंट था फ्रॉम द लास्ट 1.5 years, तो टोबैको कंजप्शन में स्मोकलेस और स्मोकिंग टोबैको कंजप्शन में कोविड में भी एक प्रॉपर रोल प्ले किया. लंग्स आर ऑलरेडी वीकन है ना, तो patient can get more infection if they are using cigarettes. If they are using smokeless tobacco, तो infection के chances बहुत बढ़ जाते हैं. हैंड से बार वो अपना माउथ टच करते हैं, मैन टू मैन इन्फेक्शन ट्रांसमिट हो जाता है जल्दी. अगर वो पाइप यूज कर रहे हैं या हुक्का यूज कर रहे हैं तो उससे भी इन्फेक्शन स्प्रेड होने के चांसेस बढ़ जाते हैं कोविड के. नेक्स्ट. तो जैसे इस बात का थीम है प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ आवर एनवायरमेंट, उसके रिलेटेड कुछ स्लाइड्स हैं कि हाउ tobacco, smokeless or smoking tobacco is affecting our environment. Every year around 600 million trees were chopped down to make smokeless or smoking use of tobacco. For every 300 cigarettes, there are about 2 cartons that are produced by cutting one tree. Okay. Or this is about birds of cigarette. 4 to 5 trillion cigarette birds pollute the environment every year. Okay, वो आप देखते हैं cigarettes का bird को वैसे भी अलग मिलता है, तो it costs around 4 to 5 million cigarette birds pollute the environment every year. The tobacco industry wants you to believe their destructive practices are substantial even now. Cigarette butts are the most liberated items on earth. Cigarette butts a type of plastic that takes year to decompose. Okay. ये भी बहुत टाइम लेता है डिकम्पोज होने में. And estimated 1.7 million pounds of cigarette butts and as a toxic waste every year. These are a few tips who wants to quit tobacco. Take a deep breath. Tell your friends or family about you have already quit. Go for a walk outside and avoid high risk triggers. Exercise. Drink plenty of water. Pick a target like जो भी आप टारगेट सेट करना चाहें 2 to 3 weeks, कितने में हमें सोना है, इतने में सोना है ना. But take a healthy diet. So these are a few tips for who want to quit tobacco. These are the famous legislation which were made around the years. It started from Cigarettes Act from 1975 to the recent one was Code of Conduct in July 2020. There are different types of steps where government involved how we can prohibit the smoking or smokeless tobacco. But as we already discussed, these industries are so influenced and they are heavily excise or providing tax to the government, so it is very difficult to prohibit or seize on tobacco sale or in any form. Okay, this is all about how what is the prevalence rate, what are the consumption of in adults, and how the tobacco is affecting our health or environment. Thank you.
you so much, sir. Poster making competition was organized by Community Medicine Department on World Not Tobacco Day. Now it's time to recognize some of the eye-catching and innovative posters. I would like to request Principal Sir, Sanjeev Ravi Sir, Govardhan Sir and Pallavi Ma'am to please come forward and provide certificates to the winners. Starting with the third position. Third position goes to Team L, Jyoti, Pragya and Rudra. Second, second position goes to Team B, Anshika, Shivani, Deepshi, Akansha. First position goes to Team D, Dushyant, Deepak, Divyanshi. Give a big round of applause. Thank you, sir. Thank you everyone for such eye-catching and innovative posters.